So much quiet today. It's raining outside in Bahrain. It's 4 o'clock here. The rain was started in the morning. Customers are tired to come. Everywhere is black. Everywhere is flooded. See this one. Hi, Ben. Hello. How are you? What are you doing there? Huh? Huh? What? Tanga. Tingnan mo para naman ito. Oh, it's everywhere. See? Quiet. See my plants. It's a part of feng shui. Feng shui everywhere. That lady also is a part of feng shui. Now she's wearing black. That's why we don't have customer. And tomorrow I will color her jacket as red. Otherwise she will be outside. It's my plants. It's my feng shui. That's our feng shui. You believe in Chinese feng shui? It's my feng shui. It's raining. It's raining from morning. My golly, wow. It's raining everywhere. It's flooded everywhere. It's traffic everywhere. Customers are lazy to come in the salon, canceling their appointments due to traffic everywhere and flooded as well. This is the business in salon during raining days. My golly, wow.